Good morning students. Welcome back after Diwali vacation. Student, today onwards we will start our second semester portion. Unit 3rd, It Can Be Done. This poem is written by anonymous means unknown poet. The title of the poem is It Can Be Done means we can do anything we wish to. Students, before explaining the poem, I will recite the poem for you. You also read along with me. It can be done. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. In Solomon pride he'd stand aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he would efface the history of human race. We would have no radio, nor motor cars, no street lit by electric stars, no telegraph nor telephone. We would linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by man who says it can't be done. Students, let us start with the explanation of the poem. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. Here, the poet clearly disapproves of people who says the words it can't be done. He tells us that the man who says that something cannot be done is the man who misses all the fun. This negative attitude towards everything stops him from enjoying his life. Next line. In Solomon pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Here Solomon pride means looking very serious and aloof means separately without getting involved in anything. Venture means adventure or risky task. Negative attitude people are always ready to criticize every adventure in life. This type of people looks very serious. They are not ready to involve with other or maintaining unfriendly relationship and giving negative comments to any adventure. Now next line. Had he the power, he would efface the history of human race. In this line, efface means to remove or wipe out. Here, poet says that the people with negative attitudes has the power to destroy or to wipe out the history of the human race. Means, if there is no invention, then there is no history. Next line. We would have no radio, nor motor car, no street lit by the electric stars. It means, if everyone says it can't be done, then there is no possibility to invent new things. For example, if radio is not invented, then it is impossible to get the news of different places. In the same way, if motor car is not invented, then it is difficult to travel from one place to another place. Student, do you know who invented electricity? Yes, Benjamin Franklin. If he would have not tried to produce electricity, then till now the streets would have filled with darkness. Okay, next line. No telegraph, no telephone, we would linger in the age of Stone Age. If everyone had negative attitude, then there would no telegraph, no telephone, and we would have still remain in the Stone Age. Means we unable to enjoy the modern facilities. The last two lines. The world would sleep if the things were run by man who says it can't be done. Here poet says there will be no changes in our life if the people thought it can't be done. Means there is no progress in our life. So what did you understood from this poem? That due to the invention of the modern technology, we means the new generation are getting progress day by day. We should also thanks to the great scientists like Alexander Graham Bell, Benjamin Franklin, David Alter, Carl Benz, who took the effort to invent these things and help to make our country progress. Student, today we will complete the explanation of the poem and in the next class we will study figure of speech. Solve the exercises given below. Thank you.